Welcome to XcooBee. In this brief tutorial, we'll cover a couple of additional features that become available when you install the XcooBee plugin. I'm here within my WordPress dashboard. To access these features, I need to review the XcooBee settings. First, we will look at enabling login privacy. Normally, WordPress requires an email address as the way to log into your WordPress website. The problem with this is if someone up to no good has your email address, they're halfway home towards logging in as you, and that is not good. Enabling XcooBee privacy IDs here allows you to use your XcooBee ID and password instead of an email address to log into WordPress. Depending on your WordPress theme, this can also enable the use of your XcooBee ID to be used when recovering a lost password. Enabling this will also give new users an option when registering for your site, including their XcooBee ID when registering. If a user includes their XcooBee ID when they register, they can enable XcooBee Secure Messaging, which would send registration confirmation to the user via XcooBee encrypted messaging, rather than plain old email. Enabling login privacy enhances initial user registration, login, and password recovery with XcooBee Security. Below Enable Login Privacy is Endpoint. What is Endpoint and why is it important? If XcooBee needs to communicate with your WordPress site, XcooBee needs to know how to access the site. For that purpose, we've put in an automatic webhook, and you can enable or disable it at any time. If you don't want XcooBee to communicate back through your site and you're not utilizing any of this, there's probably no need to utilize the endpoint. But if you do enable endpoint, as a part of the communication between XcooBee and your site, the communication is encrypted, and XcooBee will also check for man-in-the-middle attacks as a part of the interaction. So, this connection is not just a simple connection. It is a highly secure connection and cannot be spoofed or man-in-the-middle attacked. In short, it's exactly what you'd expect from XcooBee. Best-in-class security. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on other XcooBee tutorials.